All right, practice problem 410, millimeters, grams, and seconds. Origin is located at the center of the arc and center. So lines, center line, circles, arcs, extruded boss, and cuts create all 8 holes in a single feature. Okay, I only count 4, but we'll go with that. Um, let's move out of the way. All right, so nothing too crazy on the geometry we'll start with. And it gave us a duration of 5 minutes, so that should be a pretty good indicator that we can get most everything in the first sketch. So let's go ahead and circle. I'm just going to bring the line up. This is kind of going to go up over, I should have drawn the center line, but that's fine. We'll go ahead and create the geometry. So let's go ahead and accept, because that will put me back to vertical and infinite length. And then we can go back into select. Oh, I didn't hit construction, so I need to highlight it. That brings up the property manager, and then we go to for construction. All right, so of this group, if I select the chain, well, maybe not that one. So holding down the control, I can deselect and then control select the center line so that I can mirror the entities. We drag that little tail back, and that gives us the majority of the shape. If we want to trim, we can trim, don't have to. If I'm speeding along 6 millimeters, then I'm not really worried about picking the contours and regions. So there's an interesting shift when it grew, so we just drag that back and away a little ways. Let's see, from the top then to the center is 16. What do we have next? 26 across the flat. We already did the 65, so let's go 45. And we had a radius of 23, so that should be 46. And let's right click and go radius. That way I can stay in the dimension. And then our overall is 52. Okay. And the overall to the outside then is 110. All right, that looks pretty good. Fully defined anyway. So we know that we're going to have the contours and regions. Centerline wants to participate. 39. And this is going to go from a blind in condition to the min plane, and go ahead and accept. So we open up the next sketch. If we want to do center lines, we can just mirror. So into the circle, we have a diameter of 8 millimeters. Okay, and then we can do the select, control select, and mirror. If I select right to left, that gets me everything, but that wasn't really what I wanted. I wanted to go left to right, so I just get the circles and then control select the vertical center line to mirror about. And then we can put our dimensions on, since we've already established symmetry by doing the mirror. And 19. Okay, that all looks pretty good. Don't see any fillets and radiuses while I'm glancing up there. Extrude cut. Let's just do an up to next so you can see the difference. It only goes to that next geometry. And we'll save that as 4-10. And then we need our number. So 65203, evaluate mass properties, 65,202,79, 65,203 for the mass. All right, that one was right about 5 minutes. So being able to use the contours and regions and the mirrors and symmetry really is a benefit.